What's going on, everybody? I'm having frog legs, goat meat, of course, and I got salad with shredded Greek cheese or something like that. So yeah. Oh, let me tell you what I did. Look at this. Look at this. You see this? I accidentally put my meat into the cornmeal. I don't know how I did that, but that's all right. I'm still gonna eat it, y'all. You know. So how's everybody been doing on this? What, Saturday? No. I don't know. I forgot what day it is. So that lemon. I'm gonna try this roasted garlic Caesar. And of course, I got me some a fresh squeezed lemon because I don't care for dressing on my salad. So I'm gonna go ahead and just squeeze it. Don't matter where I squeeze that juice, I'm still gonna eat it. I like lemon juice. Oh, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain, rain, rain. Yep. You know what? If y'all ain't never had lemon on your salad, try it out. You'll like it. I know you will. Got to have my Tabasco sauce. They ought to just put my face on this. See, I can't see what I'm doing, so I'm looking through the camera. Of course, I'm about to tie down. So I probably ain't gonna be doing too much talking. Because I'm hungry. I sat here and waited, like I don't know what I wanted to eat. Oh God, I hope this be good. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what it tastes like. No. I don't know about that. Nope, I don't know. Let's see. It don't taste like garlic. I don't know what that tastes like. So what I did today, you know, I went out there to the post office. I call it. It's called UPS something. And I went there to send off a package. I did that today. And then turned around and got caught in the rain. I didn't care either. I kept on walking. Because I wanted to walk. That's what I did. Because I had two options. I turned them two options down. I said I wanted to walk. I feel good. Let me go ahead and just walk. No. I'm about to tell you what this dressing tastes like. Mm. Okay, it does taste like Caesar. Look, Caesar, 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 Caesar. Go take out the trash, Caesar. Mm-mm. I don't care for it though. Mm-mm. This time I ain't put it in that 2 times spicy sauce. I couldn't do that. That's good. You can taste the lemon on this, boy. I like it. I like it. You know what? There's not one drop of seeds came out of this. That is so weird. That is so weird. Lately, my lemon's been like that too. I don't like that either. They need to stop playing with our food. Everything comes with seeds, especially lemon. And not one seed came out of that. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. You know, I used to eat pork. I used to love my pork chops. And this reminds me of a pork chop. Now you get that little fat around the edges. I ain't had pork in so long. I forgot what half of it smelled like. So today, I'm doing pretty good so far. I'm really trying to stay out. Like my aunt always say, go down the hill. You know you ain't feeling good, boy. Don't be waiting for the last minute. I thought I'm gonna make her a shirt. Go down the hill. When somebody asks that, there's always an inside joke. Cause she always say that. She one of them type of parents where they always worry about everybody. She be trying to tell me what I need to be doing. I be looking at her like she crazy. I'm like, that's how I be looking at her. Like, I know y'all got some of them parents be doing that. It be something you don't want to hear. I'm like, oh my God, really? What is wrong with you? And I asked her, like, what is wrong with you, woman? She just be laughing. She be laughing because she says the way how I be saying it. I be serious. I ain't come in your house just so you constantly chewing me out for nothing. Mm, mm, mm. Mm-mm. That is so good. Today I tried evergreen. So I mean, we can't find that season up here. I had to order that on Amazon. And they got a good flavor. And it's very salty, so you got to be careful when you shake that on there. But it gives your meat a lot of good flavor. I don't know why I be putting the top back on this. No, I'm going to pick it up and reuse it. Anybody want a bite of the frog leg? That's a frog leg down. Ooh, That is good. My eyes been messing with me too. It's lucky I knew my way home. I'm out trying to see sound like this. What's that sound say? I ain't never seen that sound before in my life. I just couldn't see. You know, I never understand. I can't say other places whenever I stay at. And you know, once the snow melt, fools just don't know how to drive anymore. They just want to be nutty. Birds were flying down the street. Boy, Shaker Police got him good. I don't know how he did not see the police. I don't know how did you pass by them like that and you did not see them. He went around them. Went through the red light. I don't know where he was going. Maybe he had to use the bathroom. I don't know. I just don't know. Cause you be wondering what people be thinking of. Let's see. A little skinny bone. I don't know who the lady was in the store. The place where I was for the package. I want to thank her. What's her name? Lizzy. Thank you, Lizzy. But Lizzy, I think that store got some crazy stuff. I to send off this one package for let's see. I think for Express. Now here's the thing, standard was $17 and some change. Now remember the $17. So to send it off faster by FedEx, she said $123. I asked her like, $17 on one little for a few days, but for FedEx, 100 and who? I asked her just like this. I said, Lizzy, are you drunk? You been pouting on cheesecake? Huh? 100 and... You sure? So I asked the guy, he said, yep. I said, yep, y'all all been sniffing that the glue and the package tape, the boxes. Y'all sniffing something in here hard. Also, I want to put a shout out to Jonathan Whiffer. He said he always watch my channel, watch all my videos, and it kind of like ring a bell. Jonathan, but he got it at J. I think J something. I said, you sure? Because I don't know. And he was with his daddy. And his daddy said, you got my boy eating all this old crazy stuff? Is something wrong with you? Yeah. I like eating weird stuff. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Everybody eat weird stuff. He be want to try this and try that. He want to be a YouTuber. Yeah, let him be a YouTuber. He might teach you a few tricks. His daddy said just like this. He's like, well, if he teach me a few tricks, then I'm gonna let him be a YouTuber. Like he said, his father is very strict. He just don't believe in certain stuff. But I'm glad you let him go on to be a YouTuber. So I got a chance to meet because he said just call him Jay. So I got a chance to meet his father, his mother. I took pictures. People didn't know what was going on. I'm like, who is he? So that was good. I cannot believe I literally cooked this in cornmeal. That's so crazy. How did I do that? What was I thinking? Because I didn't want to drop this in no flour. No cornmeal. I was going to stir fry it in bell peppers and onions with some zucchini and stuff. It didn't happen. Nope, not like, oh, it didn't. No. So I kept looking for, I'm like, what the heck did I do with the meat? No, where did it go? I said, let me just look inside this container. That's where it was. So I said, well, no bell pepper and onions for this one. And then again, I wouldn't know what it would taste like if I had did it like that with this cornmeal on it. Then I was gonna take it and rinse it off. And I said, I ain't going through all that. You know, that look like a chicken. Somebody would think that would be a chicken. They'd eat that and be like, no, no, let me see. I guess it tastes like chicken. They got me. When I played with one of these, I really broke it pretty good. I was gonna have me some I really wanted some they call them duck. I think they're called duck heads. Yeah, I got some duck heads, but they're in the freezer. I just didn't feel like playing around with it. I'm trying to figure what can I cook with them. So I gotta do my homework. See what I could come up with a dish for that. Do y'all like duck heads?